Want to hear what's new at Neighbourhood and what our reports are saying about the state of sales and marketing and what new software we've been using to power our data? Well, you have come to the right place. Hey guys, it's Trav here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. Welcome to our October update. And as per usual, we've got a heap to cover. We're ready to fill you in on what's new with us and all the important sales and marketing metrics for the month, as well as our software spotlight. So let's get kicked into it. Let's start off with some staffing updates. And this month we've said goodbye to Jack as he heads off on a new work venture. We're so lucky, they're so lucky. They're so lucky to have him and we wish him well and the very best. We'll know he'll absolutely kill it in his new role and we're sure it's not the last we'll see with him around the hood because we've got a beer keg here. On a brighter note, I'm stoked to announce that one of our newest team members, Cam, has stepped into the digital marketing coordinator role for us here at Neighbourhood for our internal marketing. Taking place of Liv, who has moved to our client success pod, delivering value for all of our clients. We're really stoked to see these new changes come into place for us for the end of the year. Next up, we've recently held our third HubSpot user group event of the year. Liv and Tyson hashed out all things websites, running through all you need to know before redesigning or building your site from scratch. We saw some of the best engagement of any of our hugs that we've run so far, and we saw a great turnout. So if you're keen to check out what the hype was all about, check out the recording on our YouTube channel, or we'll leave a link in the description below. Speaking of which, we've promised and we've delivered. One of our new speakers, Cam, has been featured in one of our latest uploads, covering topics from SEO consultants to Instagram influencer marketing. They're not to be missed as well. Liv has recently updated our new HubSpot update, covering all of the HubSpot latest updates and features to help you better market, sell, and service month to month. Check it out to get more out of your HubSpot investment. The link is also in the description below. Now it's time to jump into the numbers in our metrics that matter segment. The only place that you need to head into nourish your brain with marketing, sales, and customer service data to keep your business in health throughout the year. We know how important it is for you to be across all that's going on in the industry so that you can adjust your strategy accordingly. That's why, with the help from the guys at HubSpot, we've aggregated data across HubSpot's global customer base of over 100,000 companies to provide you with the benchmarks to measure your business against. Now today, we're gonna look at all that's new with pipeline deals, web traffic, and contact growth, or lead generation. So starting with deal pipelines, it's encouraging to see that as the number of deals created increases, so too does the number that are closed. The highest it's been in over a few months coming into October. Highest in Europe and among companies sizes between 0 and 25, and over 201 alike. It seems that staffing and recruiting industries, as well as the consumer products industries, have taken out the top spots. On the other hand, the financial services and the manufacturing industries have been trailing behind for a few months now. So if your leads aren't converting or your deals aren't reaching the one stage, check out an article in the description below for the ways that you can win back more of your proposals. Next up, what's the go with web traffic? Well, while the general trajectory is positive, the APAC region has been taking out the top spot for a while, unrivaled by companies of staff sizes between 0 and 25. But interestingly, it is the software and the IT industries that have skyrocketed in traffic for the last few months, presumably as more and more businesses look to automate events of their business to minimize potential impact of post-COVID future. It appears that companies in the marketing and media industries, as well as the staffing and recruiting industries, have slowed down on the traffic front. Are you in either of these industries or looking to improve your website traffic? Well, sounds like you might benefit from an SEO overhaul. So you can contact us today and chat through how we can improve your SEO efforts and bolster some more of your traffic to your site. The last metric, let's look at content growth or lead generation. So this has been relatively stable in 2021 and over 30% above the benchmark in September. The APAC region are once again taking the lead, with medium companies in about the 26 to 200 people range skyrocketing ahead. Contact growth or lead generation is also highest in the marketing industries as people continue to remain interested in marketing for post-COVID wins. Growth appears to be the smallest in the consumer products and financial service industries, indicating a need for better lead capturing. Now, we've got an article in the description below to learn some sneaky ways that you can capture more leads with the content that you already have. So last of all, it's time for our software spotlight. your monthly scoop on the software that we've been loving that not only saves us time, but also we love using day to day. This month, we wanted to let you in on a piece of software called Tango. Great things are often said to come out of random places, and this was no exception. There I was scrolling through TikTok when I came across a product demo for this great new software that allows you to create how-to guides with screenshots in seconds. As a growing agency, building a team knowledge base effortlessly is high on our to-do list, and Tango is the ultimate enabler. So as a Chrome extension, Tango works by capturing your process, screen recording, and translating your actions into a step-by-step instructions with screenshots. You can easily edit and make fixes, trim, or add in missing steps wherever you need to. And when you're done, you can simply send a link to download it, or even paste it into your knowledge base or LMS system. Some of the features we really appreciate are the ability to remove and blur personal details and add data and recordings, and the ability to choose to only record part of your screen. For companies onboarding new staff, getting a remote team aligned on processes, or simply answering questions without risk of rework, getting started with Tango is seriously a no-brainer. It is a free browser extension, so there's really no question on why not to download it. So that's it for this month. We hope that you're able to take something away from our October update. But remember, if you need a hand with anything we've mentioned in this video, check out our blog for tons of referable content, or drop us a line in the comments section below and we can work it out together. But for now, that's all from me. Happy October and happy marketing. Catch you later.